sem perder tempo, a próxima é para Vitor Cauê, que eu tinha prometido antes. E eu não sei se ele lembra, mas também ele destaca prazeres um dia que ele falou dessa música e eu ia oferecer justamente ela pra ele há muito tempo atrás, nem lembro. Então eu espero que ele goste e, enfim, vocês também, beijo. Vitor Cauê. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down runs out, I'll be giving you my best. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate. No more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Escucha nova closer. Escucha nova closer, dear. And I will nibble your ear. Spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath forgot the glass. So I drew a new face and I laugh. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to read yourself a better even just go with the seasons. This what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate. No more, no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. Cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Espero que você tenha gostado. E